Welcome to Plantation Palms Golf Club. All you need is your suitcase. This beautiful maintenance-free standalone villa home located in the reserve at Plantation Palms is waiting for you and your family. This home overlooks the golf course from your lanai. It is 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, den/office, sitting room, oversized lanai, and much more. Looking for safety and privacy? You have that here with the home being in a gated community. Plus there are no rear neighbors. The amazing amenity center in the community sports park, dog park, and pool west/beach entry and lap lanes. The location is spectacular with quick access to I-275, I-75, Tampa Outlet Mall, amazing restaurants, Tampa International Airport, and more.